This is a homemade wood RC boat made by Sterling Models and is a Century Sea Maid that I built. That's my son Zane. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're getting ready to run it out here in Coralville Lake in Coralville, Iowa. It's a little wavier than I would like, but I think it should be okay, hopefully. Otherwise, I'm gonna go swimming for it if it goes under. But this is the hatch. We've got a 550 12-turn motor in there with a 2-cell battery. Everything should be waterproof. And under here is a light switch. It's got working dash lights, the front lights.
Let's take it for a drive.
What do you think? Should we take it for a cruise?
Yeah.
All right, let's take it out.
Go. Oh, geez. Look at that. It's coming back, it's coming back.